Imagine working inside an Excel worksheet with 2,000 rows and hundreds of columns. Scrolling with your mouse can take forever, especially when you need to move from one end of your data to another. In this part, you'll learn keyboard shortcuts that let you navigate large Excel tables almost instantly. The first navigation shortcut you need to remember is Ctrl plus an arrow key. From any cell inside a connected block of data, pressing Ctrl and an arrow key moves you directly to the edge of that data. Instead of scrolling through hundreds or thousands of rows manually, Excel takes you there instantly. This becomes incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets. Let's start with the down arrow. If your data continues downward from the selected cell, pressing Ctrl plus the down arrow takes you directly to the last cell containing data in that direction. For example, if your sales table contains 2,000 rows, you don't need to hold the mouse wheel and scroll all the way down. One shortcut takes you there immediately. The same principle works in every direction. Ctrl plus up arrow moves toward the first cell containing data. Ctrl plus right arrow moves toward the last populated column, while Ctrl plus left arrow moves back toward the first populated column. Once you memorize these four combinations, moving around large worksheets becomes much easier and much faster. Sometimes you are deep inside a worksheet and simply want to return to the beginning. That's where Ctrl plus Home becomes extremely useful. Pressing this shortcut takes you back to cell A1, the starting point of the worksheet. No matter how far down or across your data you have moved, Ctrl plus Home brings you directly back to the top left starting position. Now let's do the opposite. Ctrl plus End takes you to the last cell that Excel considers part of the used area of your worksheet. This is especially helpful when you want to understand how large your worksheet has become. If you suddenly find yourself at row 2000 and column H, you immediately know that Excel considers that area part of your used worksheet. What if you don't just want to move to the end of your data, but actually select everything along the way? That's where Ctrl plus Shift plus an arrow key becomes powerful. Instead of simply jumping to the edge of the data, Excel selects every cell between your starting point and the destination. This allows you to select hundreds or even thousands of cells in seconds. Let's use a realistic example. Imagine you have a sales table containing 2,000 rows, and you want to select the entire data range in column B. Click cell B2, hold Ctrl and Shift, and press the down arrow. Excel immediately selects the cells from B2 to the last connected data cell. What could have taken a long time with the mouse now takes only a second. Excellent! You can now move through large Excel worksheets quickly and select entire data ranges without endless scrolling. But we're not finished yet. In Part 3, you'll learn shortcuts that can fill formulas and data down or across your worksheet, enter the same information into multiple cells at once, and use Paste Special to control exactly what Excel pastes. Continue to Part 3 and keep building your Excel shortcut skills.